Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman, and my field placement is with a hospice inpatient unit, and I will also be assisting a home health care hospice. The hospice inpatient unit is where patients reside in a hospice house, and the home health care hospice is when the patient receives hospice services in their home and the care isn't as frequent as those who are in an inpatient unit. Those who are in an inpatient unit are usually actively dying and need to receive 24-hour care and medications to help treat their symptoms and to help them remain comfortable. So what I'm hoping to get out of this field experience working at a hospice inpatient unit and with hospice patients is to confirm that this is the type of social work setting that I would like to pursue my career in, as well as to learn more about how people celebrate the end of life and different ways to support family members when a loved one is actively dying. I'm also hoping to gain confidence when working with a patient who might be on the younger side, who might have young children, as I feel like I might find that age group a little bit challenging and that scenario a little bit challenging. So I'm hoping to gain some confidence since obviously death can happen to anyone at any time, no matter your age. So what I expect in this field placement to be different than my last field placement. In my last field placement, I worked with a home health care agency that provided intermittent care to patients whose goals were to remain in their home and to be as independent as possible while staying in their home. So I used to see multiple clients a day. I would help connect them with community resources such as Meals on Wheels, waiver services, things of that nature. And other supports so that they can achieve their goal of being independent as home for as long as they can. So when working with hospice patients, the main goal is usually for the patient to die comfortably and peacefully. So I will mostly be working in the inpatient unit where, as I mentioned, the patient resides at the hospice house rather than in their own home. So that's different setting than my last placement. And also, I will have less patients on my caseload and will be working with more family members and different family dynamics than my previous agency placement. I was usually working with multiple clients a day, and it was usually between I would have contact with, just the one client and maybe one loved one. Whereas in this situation, I could be working with a variety of family members as well as the patient. So I'm really looking forward to this field placement and to hear more about my peers' field placements and getting to work with you all. Thank you.